friends, welcome to KP classes. Today we are going to discuss linear algebra series problem and problem number 7, and solution of 1 to 6 problem are already uploaded on my YouTube channel, and this problem is 7 and problem basically for part C and multiple choice question. And the problem is the rank of the matrix, and entries are in 3x3 matrix. Entries of first row is b plus c, a minus c, a minus b, and entries in second row is b minus c, c plus a, b minus a, and entries in third row is c minus b, c minus a, and a plus b. Then find rank of this matrix. Options: first, rank 3 if a not equal to 0, b not equal to 0, and c not equal to 0. In second options is rank 2 if a equals to 0 and b and c not equal to 0. Rank 2 if a and c not equal to 0 and b equal to 0. In four options, rank 2 if a and b equal to 0 and c not equal to 0. Then friends, we know that property for rank. If determinant not equal to 0, let this matrix equals to a equals to this matrix. Okay friends, so property for this matrix for rank, we know that if determinant not equal to 0, then rank of a equals to rank 3. If determinant of 0, so we can say rank of a less than 3. Now after taking sub matrix for 2 cross 2 sub matrix, if 2 cross 2, taking 2 cross 2 sub matrix, simple method, and 2 cross 2 sub matrix, if determinant equal to 0 for 2 cross 2 matrix, determinant 0, then rank of a equal to less than 2, mean rank of a 1, 0, whatever. If determinant of a not equal to 0 for 2 cross 2 sub matrix, then we can say rank of a equals to 2. Okay friends, both cases for if determinant of a equals to 0. After we can say rank of a less than 2 equal to 2. In this case we can say rank of a equals to 1. Okay, check all 2 cross 2 sub matrix. Okay friends, now we solve this problem. First we find determinant of this matrix. For use some row operation. This operation is row operation. Use R2 equals to R2 plus R1 and R3 equals to R3 plus R1. Okay friends, using two row operation. Now first row is same as it is because changes in R2 and R3, a minus b. Now R2 equals to R2 plus R1 means R2 plus R1, c minus c cancel out, b and b 2b, c cancel out, a or a 2a. Okay friends, now b cancel out, a and also cancel out, this value is 0. Now use row operation in R3 plus R1, b cancel out, value is 2c, c cancel out, a again cancel out, value is 0, and b cancel out, a and 2a. Okay friends, now find determinant. B plus c, first row and first column hide, 4a square. Okay, second row and first row and second column both are hide, we get 4ab, and first row and third column we get minus 4ac. Okay, simplify 4a square bc minus 4a square b plus 4a square bc and minus 4a square c plus 4abc. 4a square c, one second, again check. 4a square b, sorry c here is not c, only wait, some mistake in 4a square b, 4a square b plus 4a square c plus 4a square c. Okay, now minus 4a square b, minus 4a square b, such mistake, minus 4a square b plus 4abc minus 4a square c and plus 4abc. 4a square c, 4a square c cancel out, 4a square b, 4a square b cancel out. Determinant of a equals to 4abc and 4abc, 8abc. Depend on variable of a, b and c. Okay friends, now check one by one option. Okay friends, in options first, if a not equal to 0, b not equal to 0 and c not equal to 0, means a not equal to 0, b not equal to 0 and c not equal to 0, we get determinant of a not equal to 0, means full rank or rank is 3 equal to order of matrix, means first option is true. Okay friends, check second options. If a equals to 0, if a equals to 0, then we get determinant of this matrix equals to 0, second option. If det 0, okay, if determinant of equal to 0, when a equal to 0, in this case we get determinant of a equals to 0 if a equals to 0. In this case we get rank of a less than 3, maybe rank of a less than 3, or maybe 2 and 1 and 0. Now check sub matrix of 2 cross 2. Take any 2 cross 2. Okay friends, taking 2 cross 2 sub matrix. If not equal to 0, then we can say rank of a equals to 2, otherwise rank of a less than 2, maybe 1, maybe 0. Depend on 2 cross 2 sub matrix. Okay, now we check 2 cross 2 sub matrix. Put a equals to 0 in 2 cross 2 block. Okay, put a equals to 0 because given in condition a equals to 0. Now 2 cross 2 b plus c, b minus c, put a equal to 0, we get minus c and plus c, minus c and plus c. Check determinant c, b plus c, minus c and minus already plus, bc plus c square plus bc minus c square, c square cancel out, equals to 2bc. And in this case b and c both are not equal to 0, it means determinant of sub matrix 2 cross 2 not equal to 0, it means rank of a equals to 2. In this case when a equals to 0, b not equal to 0 and c not equal to 0, it means second option is also true. Okay, now check for third option and fourth option. In option third and in option 4, one variable 0 in given both options, means rank of a less than 2 in both cases, sorry less than 3 in both cases, because determinant of a equal to 0 when b equal to 0, determinant of a equal to 0 when a equal to 0 and b equal to 0, means in third and fourth options rank of a less than 3. Now check sub matrix 2 cross 2 in third option and fourth options. Okay, now check for third option. B equals to 0. Okay, and rank of possible rank of A less than 3. Okay, if block submatrix of 2 cross 2 determinant of 2 cross 2 submatrix equals to 0, when rank of A equal to 1, not 2. Okay, now check the submatrix of 2 cross 2. Put taking this block and put B equals to 0, we get C minus C, A plus minus C, A plus C. Check determinant of this matrix. C, C plus A, minus and minus already plus, C, A minus C. C square plus AC plus AC minus C square. In this case we get 2AC, and we given in condition A not equal to 0 and B not equal to 0. It means rank determinant of this matrix not equal to 0, means rank of A equals to 2. Okay friends, this options also true. Now check for D option. Taking A equal to 0 and B equal to 0, put in this block. Put in this block as A and B 0, C minus C and minus C and C. We get C square minus C square 0. But check other 2 cross 2 matrix. Check all 2 cross 2 submatrix 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 all equal to 0, then we can say rank of A equals to 1. If any one not equal to 0, then rank of A equals to 2. Okay friends, now check other possibilities. Put A equal to 0 and B equal to 0. Taking this block. Okay friends, minus C and C, taking this block. Minus C, C, C and C. Minus C square and minus C square equals to minus 2C square not equal to 0. Taking 2 cross 2 matrix, put A equal to 0 and B equal to 0 in this block, and finding determinant we get minus 2 square 2 minus 2C square not equal to 0, because C equal to not equal to 0, means 3 block 0 but 1 exists non-zero block of 2 cross 2 matrix. It means rank of A equal to 2, means 4 options also true. Okay friends, means this question can be asked in CSI NET exam in part C. And if you like video, then please subscribe the channel for more interesting question and its